Pink cherry, cream cheese filling or frosting. These are the ingredients. 1/8 ounce block of cream cheese and 1 stick of butter at room temperature. 1½ tablespoon of the cherry juice. 1/2 teaspoon of almond flavoring. 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla flavoring. And 1/4 teaspoon of liquid red food coloring. And finally, 3 3/4 cups of powdered sugar. In a medium to large bowl, add the cream cheese and the butter. And beat together until smooth. Add in the almond flavoring. The vanilla. The cherry juice from the jar. And the food coloring. And mix together. Remember to scrape the side of the bowl to ensure proper mixing as you go along. Add the powdered sugar in 3 batches, mixing after each addition. Continue to mix until the mixture is smooth. This is perfect as a filling, or you can use it as a frosting for cakes or cupcakes. And it's also perfect for piping. Thank you so much for watching, and remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more simple recipes.